Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would definitely love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will be seeing the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. There we put out some free signals. So for those of you that might be needing a trade opportunity or a trade setup, or you will need a free signal, you can now join us on our Telegram. You will see the link in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, see the link to our Telegram, you can follow us and get it. Now let's see on GBPUSD what we'll be expecting. If you have been following this channel consistently, we would have seen that this our price, what we predicted actually happened. Last week we predicted that GBPUSD will give us a bearish move. Last week, we also predicted that GBPUSD will give us a bearish move. Sorry, we were predicting a bearish move and it gave us that bearish move. As you can see, this week has just ended and we've closed bearish. Now, if you take a look at this, what can you see, right? You clearly can see that this is a downtrend move. We all know what they say: trade what you see and not what you think. And they always say trade with the trend. So basically, this trend is a downtrend move. It won't make sense for you to buy, right? Does it make sense to buy? Definitely no. Except you want to go for a short term buy, then there will be an exception. Maybe probably a short term buy. If not, most of GBP would be sell, sell, sell. We actually gave out that signal, right? I gave out that signal to the Telegram channel. If you are not following us, you can follow us. We actually took that trade on GBPUSD and we actually profited. Now for this week, with what I'm seeing, let's see. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's zoom it out. You clearly can see that this GBPUSD is on a bearish move, right? You can see from this level, GBPUSD has been dropping. You clearly can see that this is a bearish move. Then all of a sudden, GBP started ranging. GBPUSD then started trading within this level, right? You can see came to this level, then came here, dropped, came to this level, dropped, and we are seen close to this level. Will it get to this level? Let me zoom it properly. So will it get to that resistance level where we can't really tell? But what we all know that in the long run, GBP USD, will continue to give us that bearish move, right? But for now, let's see. We might not eat this for now, but let's see this GBP USD continue to drop. Like you always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. So since it is dropping, it will make sense for us to continue with the drop. So now let's go to the daily time frame. You clearly can see that this is a bearish move. So let's see if we can highlight some levels here that will be useful for us. So we can see this would be the trend resistance, right? And we would see this to be this would see we can see this to be the trend support level. So anytime soon, now be watching anytime soon, guys, we should be expecting GBP USD to give us some bullish move, right? A bullish move, kind of like a correction, then maybe then we would not continue with the bearish move. So one thing I'll be expecting, right, is kind of like a bullish move as a correction, right? That is what I'll be expecting. Just bullish move as a correction. That is what I'll be expecting. Then we can now continue that bearish move. But by the way, this week that we are predicting for, we will still expect GBP USD to give us that bearish move. We would expect it to close bearish. That is what I am saying. But right now, we've seen we've gotten to this our trend support level, right? We know that once it gets to this our support level, one thing you should be watching out next is for it to come to this our resistance level. But only go ahead to take that buy to the resistance level once you get a confirmation, and that confirmation can be found on the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Probably once that movement goes up to take out this ice. As you can see, this is a level, right? If GBP USD eventually goes bullish and break above this ice, then you might want to take that buy. You might want to continue that bullish move to this trend resistance level, right? If not, we might see it continue to drop. But with what I'm seeing, like I said, it is at this trend support level, and very soon or anytime soon, you should be expecting a movement to this resistance level. So watch out for it, but only go ahead to take the buy to this trend resistance level once you get in confirmation. There are a couple of ways you can get a confirmation. One, if eventually this GBPUSD breaks above this ice, then you might want to continue with the bullish move to the resistance level. Or when you see that this 10 period simple moving average crosses above the 20 period simple moving average, you might want to take the buy. That is if it crosses up, if the 10 period simple moving average crosses above the 20 period simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame, you might want to look for a buy. I will say it again, before you go ahead to take your buy to this your trend resistance level, get a confirmation. If not, you might see it continue to drop and drop and drop on GBP USD for this week.